Hi everyone! Today we will do the division. We will work on the division of two radicals. The square root of 6 divided by the sixth root of 24. So, first step, we must have the same index here and here. So I will multiply the index of the first radical by 3. And also I will multiply the exponents of the first radical by 3. So I will multiply this by 3, and the exponents of the radical is 1, and I will multiply it by 3. So we will have sixth root of 6 to the power 3 divided by sixth root of 24. I will write 6 as 2 times 3. So to the power of 3 divided by, and I will write 24 as 2 to the power 3 times 3. Great. So, given we have the division of two radicals with the same exponents, we can write division and the two radicands under the same radical symbol. So I will write a big radical symbol here, 6, and then inside I will write 2 times. Actually, I will multiply these exponents by 1 and these exponents by 1. This 1 is the index of the power. So 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3 divided by, and now instead of using the division sign, I will use the fraction. I will write it as a fraction. So divided by 2 to the power of 3 times 3. Okay. As you know, given we have a fraction and in the numerator we have the same number that is in the denominator, we can divide it and then we get 1. So now we have a division of two powers with the same base. So it is equal to a power with the same base that has exponents the difference of the two exponents. In our case is 3 and 1. So we'll have sixth root of 3 to the power of 3 minus 1, and that's equal to the sixth root of 3 to the power of 2, and this is the solution. We cannot simplify it anymore, so this is the solution. Sixth root of 3 to the power of 2. That means sixth root of 9. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just subscribe to the channel. Thanks, bye!